I am Anthony,
I'm Anadhi.
founder of Pause.
Because I think one thing that actually spoke out to me was the way that Rebalance kind of pushes women entrepreneurs. Because that's our journey as well. Like, so when I saw Vikas talking about their ideology, about why they want to push and have women co-founders and fund them, that was actually something that really clicked on the first call I had. The idea that both Vikas and Aishwarya are kind of backing, I'm sold out on the idea. Even if we don't get in or we get in, I think we just loved that thing. At least for me as a woman, I can speak. Yeah. Both of them have different qualities that they bring for first-time entrepreneurs like us. Aishwarya brings in that a sense about branding and how market is to be perceived. What you should not be critically thinking about, take it slow and take it one at a time. Because it's more like that, hey, guys, don't even shy away, like you are at your own pace. I think we've had like one of many discussions where we've tried to kind of reboot ourselves. So we feel that I don't think it would have been possible for us to kind of move it at pace that we are doing right now, with both of them kind of constantly guiding us for sure. The thought of like going back to the drawing table, like I think that has happened with so many conversations, one-to-ones that we have had. So it's been really great.
Both of them are super honest.
Yeah.
Whatever they are on face. So they just, balance each other a lot.
Energy, so yeah, I think.
So we appreciate that a lot.
And the honesty for sure.
Yeah.
Wow.
Super good.
Yeah, super good. One word, if we have to. I think starting our week on Monday, we like, trust me, this week is going to be transformational for us. And to be honest, like we are feeling halfway through that. So many conversations, one-to-one chats that we had, it's been really transformational.
So actually, it's like कि जिन लोगों से हम बात कर रहे हैं, it would have taken us a lot of time.
Absolutely, yeah.
Get access to them
Yeah.
is also like it's precious.
Because like we had sessions with people who started with Rebalance. So we know the journey that they are on and where they are at right now. And maybe when we didn't know about the brand like 2 years back, and now we know what they're doing, really excites us, makes us believe that we are at the right place. But I think one-to-one mentor chats, they are really interested to hear us. Like them giving us a 15-minute no diverted attention means that, the community that Rebalance has built.
The kind of help, the kind of guidance they gave at this early stage.
So yeah, transformational for me, for sure.